Hello and welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Conference of Environment Ministers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the National Conference of Environment Ministers at Ekta Nagar in Narmada district of Gujarat via video conference. Two-day conference on September 23rd and 24th is aimed at creating further synergy among the central and state governments on various issues, such as climate change, tackling plastic waste, wildlife, and forest management. Taking forward the spirit of cooperative federalism, the conference will create further synergy amongst the central and state governments. It will also focus on increasing the forest cover with a special emphasis on restoration of degraded land and wildlife conservation. The conference will have 6 thematic sessions on various topics such as life and combating climate change, updating state action plans on climate change for mitigation of emissions and adaptation to climate impacts. Other topics will be Parivesh, single window system for integrated green clearances, forestry management, prevention and control of pollution, wildlife management, plastics and waste management.